Have you ever felt the pulse of unity coursing through your veins, the sense of invincibility that comes from being part of a harmonious collective? Now contrast that with a memory of division, a time when the unity shattered, leaving nothing but fragments of discord and disappointment. We navigate through life on a spectrum, oscillating between feelings of oneness and separateness. When we are in sync with ourselves, others, and the world around us, we are filled with positive energy, a sense of empowerment, love, and confidence. Yet when we feel isolated, cut off from the world, we find ourselves spiraling into a dark abyss filled with fear, negativity, and a debilitating sense of weakness. The irony of our existence is that the more we look outward, the more we feel separate. Our world is a realm of duality, and if we focus solely on the external facade, we become prone to the illusion of division. Signs that we've strayed into the territory of division include the ceaseless search for answers, self-doubt, and a gnawing feeling of emptiness that we frantically try to fill. This sense of void often leads us down the treacherous path of addiction, as we mistakenly believe that harmful substances or activities can bridge the chasm between unity and division. Yet there's a reason why successful addiction programs foster a sense of community and connection with a higher power. They strive to awaken their members from the illusion of isolation. The beauty of life is that we don't have to wait for a life-altering event to remind us of this universal truth. We can, at any given moment, turn inward and see the light of unity illuminating every atom of our being. In essence, the journey through life is an exploration of the spectrum between unity and division. The key is in recognizing the signs of division, understanding the illusion it creates, and knowing that the path to unity lies within us. By turning inward, we can reconnect with the universal truth of oneness that permeates every atom of our existence. The ultimate truth, the one that resonates across traditions, teachings, and fields, is that we are meant to live in communion. We are one, and the sooner we grasp this, the sooner we can live a life filled with love, power, and confidence. Remember, unity is not just about being together, it's about being together in harmony.